If you've ever composed a report, essay, or any written work, you're well acquainted with the undo and redo buttons. If you make a mistake, you can undo it. If you later realize the mistake wasn't so bad after all, you can redo it. Life doesn't often allow us to go back in time and correct our errors, but text editors grant us a temporary godlike power to do just that. As I wrote the script for this video, you can bet I tapped into these powers to undo many mistakes and even redo some errors that I thought were worth keeping. So what's the secret behind these buttons? How do they magically manipulate our digital past? Like many things in life, the magic begins to fade once we examine the core mechanisms at play. Behind each button is a stack, a very simple structure that can store data. Any data that you push onto it is added on top of the previous one, and any data that you pop from the stack will come out from the top. So the last piece of data that goes in will always be the first one that comes out. How does this relate to the undo and redo buttons? As you begin typing, each key press is recorded as an action and added onto the undo stack. These actions are going to stack up in chronological order, so the undo stack essentially records every action that you take. And once you finally hit the undo button, it pops the top action from the undo stack, effectively reversing your last step. If you've had a change of heart, you can press the redo button and it reverses the action that you previously undid. Every key press that follows goes into the undo stack, and if I make a mistake, I can reverse it by pressing undo. And when you start typing again, the redo stack clears. And we hereby witness a synchronized dance between past and present actions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you can stay current with our content. And I hope this video gave you a glimpse into how programmers implement the undo and redo functionality. But do you know what would be even more fulfilling? Being able to actually program it yourself. The code that you're seeing here was written in Java, and we created the most interactive Java course online, a bootcamp that's going to take you from zero all the way up to an experienced Java developer. If you're ready to begin your programming journey, click the link in the description and I will see you in my class.